Hi, this is Puneet and I am a professional backend developer. I use Node.js to build APIs and powerful backend servers. I also help you host these into AWS, EC2 Lambda, or whatever services you want. I have worked on a lot of backend applications and servers which are live and are working for thousands of requests. I, I use a lot of testing before I actually deliver the APIs to make sure they are easily handling the load which we are intending. I help build APIs which are secure, so they are protected from hackers and irrelevant API requests. I give a proper documentation of the APIs which we have built in the Postman documentation, so the front-end developer or you can easily integrate them. I have a strong logic building, so I also work on Python FastAPI to build APIs for actually creating APIs for the machine learning models, so you can easily interact with them with your UI. I work with a lot of startups, freelancers, and founders to actually work as their backend developer. Ping me down. We'll put together a call to action for your idea or product. Let's get started.